got this Toro Flex Force 21-inch battery operated mower today. The self-propel cable is broken on it. I'm going to show you how to easily replace that and get back into working order. Hit that like and subscribe button as we go along if you enjoy the content. The first thing I like to do is take the cable from up top out. This one here is frayed real bad, right on the verge of breaking. You can see it goes all the way down to where this screw attaches for your adjustment to adjust the tightness. And then it wraps all the way around the handle and attaches on the other side. You can see here real well where it attaches down onto the frame. We're right inside the frame there by the left rear wheel. Since we have it disconnected at the top, you can kind of move the spring just out of the way. It'll give you that extra cable room. And you want to pinch either side of this attachment there and pull from the back side. So if we pinch the longer side, it's just a pair of needle nose, and we can pull it out from the back side while we do that. It comes straight on out. And then we just move this up. It'll come out also. And then we'll want to move this kind of around on the inside there. There's a plate. You can move it around and past that to get the spring out over to the side. Cable is free from the bottom. Let's go ahead and reinstall the new one and then we'll move up top. This is a 127-0733 OEM Toro cable. I'm just going to feed it through that same slot. And we're going to put it back in exactly the same way. So through the top, like such. And then we'll get that cable just kind of over through. And we'll work that just straight down in to that same place where the other one was. Now we've got it all installed at the bottom. We can work our way to the top. As we work our way to the top, this one isn't zip tied or anything, so we're just going to follow the same path. We can remove this, it just comes straight out, splits in half, move the old one out, put the new one in between both of those, and then reattach it, and we'll make the adjustment at the top. To install this cable, we'll take a 7/16 here and loosen this. Basically going to take it all the way out, or at least for the most part. You can hold on. This is just almost like a carriage bolt at the back side. It holds onto the handle. But once that's almost all the way out, you can slip this cable down through. You don't have to take it all the way off, but pretty well all the way out. So that's out just through that notch. And now the cable's free. So you're just going to bring this other one around, just like that one did. It came on the top side of the handle, I believe. Snake it in here, just like the other one was. And then we can go ahead and put it up top, right here into our hole. Good to go. And now we basically want to pull this to where it's almost all the way tight as far as the cable goes. You don't want a bunch of slack in it, but you want just a little bit of slack when you tighten this down. Hold that into place as you do it. Not real tight, but tight enough that there's not going to be a bunch of slack in it. Tighten that down real good. Let this down now. Pull our bail back here, just like such. Push our button. And then when we pull the handle, the rear wheels go. freewheel. It's not freewheel, and then you've got this cable too tight right here. You want to loosen that up if it's not able to freewheel. Here everything is good. It's allowed to freewheel. Again, if it's not, go ahead and loosen that cable up a little bit. You've got it just a little bit too tight on this side. Well, that's all there was to it on this thing. Just a few minutes will get your mower back into working action. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed the content.